What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're back for another video. Let's get it. Today we're gonna be looking at how to make counter melodies. Somebody suggested this. I'm sorry, I forgot who did. I'll put the comment somewhere on the screen. I'll put it somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna learn how to do counter melodies today, because a lot of people have trouble, you know, making a melody and then layering it with another melody and blah 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 and all that. So I'm gonna straighten all that out today. All right. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video. If you have any suggestions for any other videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and turn on post notifications, and don't forget to subscribe. You must be subscribed to the channel. Join the family. All right. We're only getting bigger from here, guys. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my computer. Peace. All right, so we're back on my computer, and before we learn how to make counter melodies, we need a melody. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a beat real quick. I'm gonna time lapse through it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how we actually make the counter melody. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So I made a melody. I used omnisphere. I feel like, what was the name of the song? Or what's the name of the sound? It's called Starfield Piano Bells. I used that sound and I made a melody, and this is what it sounds like right now. I also put some gross beat on it. You know what? Let me actually add. I'm just gonna make it, just add a little bit more to it. Alright, that's the first one. Now, when you're making counter melodies, all you really have to do is just make sure that your melody is in key or in the same scale as the first melody. So what I mean by that is, when you come here, all you have to do is follow the ghost notes. You see all these ghost notes? Oops. See all these ghost notes, the little highlighted ones from the other melody? Make sure when you place notes on the counter melody, make sure they're on one of those ghost notes. So I'll show you what I mean. So I can choose this. I can choose F sharp. I can choose G for the first note, B, B6, all of these notes. Any of these notes I can choose. And that's what will keep it in key or in the same scale. So I'm just going to choose random notes. Literally, I could choose random to an extent. I'm just going to choose some random notes that sound nice together. So see, now you can tell right now it's starting to sound consonant, you know. It sounds like the counter melody actually goes well with the original melody. If that made any sense. But yeah, you know what I mean. We can just duplicate this over here. And of course I'm gonna add some, you can add whatever effect you want to that. And okay. So as you can tell, those two notes, they go together because they're in the same key. So, and you can keep on adding more melodies. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna add more melodies. Let's choose another VST. I like to use different VSTs, mix and match when I'm making beats. So I'm gonna use chord M1. We're gonna find any. We can literally look for any sound that sounds nice, and you can look for any sound that sounds nice, and just go ham on the melody. This one's kind of cool, I guess. Oh wait, whoops. Okay, wow, okay. Alright, I'm gonna use that sound, and we're gonna just add another counter melody. So as I said, I'm gonna keep in the same key. So choose any of the ghost notes. You can use any one of them, but also make sure it sounds nice. You can't just do it random. It's random to an extent. So keep on, same thing. No, I actually don't like that sound. It kind of sounds weird. I'm gonna change that sound. Hold on, I'm gonna add some reverb to it a little bit. You know, we gotta sound good, you know what I'm saying? It can't just sound like anything. I do not like that kind of reverb. Let me change it up. As well. Let me So as you can tell, counter melodies aren't as complicated as you think. All you really have to do is keep the melodies in the same key. So using the exact same notes in each melody is what most of the time makes a good counter melody. Sometimes you can change it up and have notes out of the melody and make it dissonant, but that's for a later, more advanced topic, and I'm not going to get into that right now. But all you need to know for now is that you just gotta keep your melodies in the same key, and it should sound fine. So that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Join the family. Won't hurt. It's free. You know what I'm saying? It's free to subscribe. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications while you're at it. And I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.
Unorthodox beat.